Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we've got a screen protector from Klearlook. It's a privacy screen protector, so in this day and age with everything on your smartphone, privacy is a #1 concern for everyone. That's why you've got passwords, everything. So when you're riding on the train, anything like that, or you're in a crowded bar, you need something like this to stop anybody from looking in on your conversations. Could be just photographs you're taking, could be online banking, everything. You don't want anybody to see all this stuff, especially your messages and that. So we're going to fit this and see what it's like. So this screen protector should have really good clarity. It's got it written on the box there, maximize clarity. It's supposed to be really good with, I guess, for anti-fingerprints, that sort of thing. So let's open this up and get started. So in the packet, we've got your cleaning wipes, you've got your dust removal sticker stuff, larger one there. You've got a decent sized cleaning cloth. You've got this frame here to align it on the actual phone. And you've got your screen protector itself. All we need is a phone. This particular one is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but they do them for the other iPhones as well. I'll leave all the links down in the description down below. Check those out. Right, let's get on with it. Right, let's start off with obviously the wet wipes. What I normally like to do is just dampen down the surface around the phone, just to help stop some of the dust from coming up. Let's give it a good wipe over. If you've had a screen protector on before, make sure you go right around the edges properly, because you're going to have lots of stuff right around the edges of the old screen protector, where you are going to get a lot of a build up of stuff. Make sure you get it really clean. Use both sides of the wet wipe. Particular attention around the earphone port on this one. Make sure it's nice and clean. And that's pretty good. So go with a dry wipe now. Alright, that's it. Okay, there we go. Get it all nice and clean. Again, use both sides. Now we need to get the dust off. I can see a few bits of dust on it. I normally like to take a little bit of time doing this, so I'll probably cut this when I get to the next stage. So the next stage is just whacking this frame on. I'm assuming it goes stick it all the way in. Right, we've got some more dust on it, so make sure you keep your dust removal sticker handy. Get every last bit. It's a good thing to do this under really bright lights as well. You can see all the dust. So the screen protector is full coverage, and I'm going to peel the backing off away from the phone, as I've got it all nice and clean. So we're going to pop it into the alignment tray as quickly as possible. Right, it looks pretty centered, looks pretty good to me. So I'll just press it in the middle, and that should start adhering. So what I'll do is I'll take the frame off. Use the included cloth just to run out any bubbles. like so. And you know what, that's gone on perfectly, absolutely perfectly. Not bad from behind the camera. I'm pretty impressed with that. There's just a little air bubble there, so I'll just lift the corner a bit just to get that out. And that's it. Perfect. No air bubbles. That's absolutely spot on. This is a really easy kit to fit. Really easy kit. So we'll turn it on. We're going to have a look. Right, I've had a quick look at it. So far, really good actually. I'm really impressed with it. It's the first privacy screen protector I've had. Looking at it straight on, you can see the screen. The face unlock works perfectly. Really good touch response. Really good touch response. Perfect. I mean, it's just no lag. Feels really good. Not like some of these screen protectors. Sometimes there's a little bit of a delay. It's not quite getting the touch response, but really good. I'm actually really impressed. So let's have a quick look on Instagram, see what's on there. So we've got perfectly clear. I'm really impressed with it. And let's get it on a brighter page. Try a bit of Facebook. And as you can see it. Just a slight angle and it just completely disappears. Completely disappears. The quality of the glass has got a coating on it. I can't see any fingerprints on it. Turn the screen off. Minimal, if any, fingerprint smudges on it. Excellent. I'm really impressed with this one. But yep, it's unlocks perfectly. So the front facing camera, it's not a punch hole, it's actually covered over with the glass, but that's been left clear. Good cutout for the earpiece. The actual screen protector itself, as you can see, is really thin. And you've also got around the edges a good bit of clearance, so you can stick a case on it quite well. In fact, let me just grab one quickly. Speaking, this is the most protective case they do, and it gets right around the edges. So let's whack that on. So as you can see, around the edges you've still got a gap. So you should find, I mean, if this case fits, I should imagine your OtterBox ones and that such like will fit that as well. Polished edges, so it doesn't feel sharp. Obviously feel it a little bit there, but it feels nice and rounded. As you can see, face unlock works perfectly well. On Facebook, it's perfectly clear. Looking at it straight on, but just go just slightly sideways and it disappears. Right, that's it for this video. Recommended. Obviously, privacy, if you've got privacy concerns in any way, really good screen protector to go. It's actually really good quality. I'm very impressed with it. So the phone works perfectly normal. Face ID, everything works perfectly. There's not a problem with it at all. Yep. I will leave links down in the description as to where you can pick these up. Do please use those links. They're affiliate links for the company that supplied this. The company that actually supplied this to me was free of charge. They've provided me links to go through their affiliate accounts. so you should be able to pick them up. They're quite cheap. I can't remember exactly the price, but the price fluctuates on Amazon anyway. So check out those links. So if you get one of these, let me know what you think of it. I think it's really good. Leave any comments down below. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when the next video comes. Thank you for watching.